Hello. Today we're learning the phrase edge somebody out of something. It means to slowly push someone out of a place or position. Imagine a competition where one person takes a small advantage. That person edges the other out. It is not a sudden or harsh action. It is gradual and subtle. You can use it for jobs, competitions, or groups. For example, she edged him out of the job. This means she slowly took over the position. The phrase is separable. You can say edge someone out of something or edge out someone of something. Remember, it is transitive. You always need an object. Common mistakes include missing the object. Also, don't confuse it with push out. Push out is more direct and forceful. Edge out is polite and subtle. Try using it in sentences like, they edged their rivals out of the market, or he was edged out of the team slowly. Practice makes perfect. Use edge somebody out of something to describe gentle competition. Thanks for watching. See you next time.